Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to transfer money with BMO. Whether you are moving funds between your own accounts, sending money to someone locally, or making an international wire, the Bank of Montreal provides multiple options to get the job done quickly and securely. Let us start with transferring money between your own BMO accounts or to another person domestically within Canada using Interac e-transfer. To make a standard account-to-account transfer or send an e-transfer, sign into the BMO mobile banking app or log into BMO online banking. From the main menu, select Pay and Transfer. If you are moving money between your own checking and savings accounts, select Account Transfer. Choose the source account and the destination account. Input the amount you wish to transfer, verify the details, and hit Complete. If you are sending money to friends, family, or a service provider within Canada, choose the Interac e-transfer option under the Pay and Transfer menu. Select your recipient from your saved contacts or add a new recipient by entering their name and email address or mobile phone number. Enter the amount you want to send and choose which account the funds should come from. If your recipient does not have auto deposit enabled, create a security question and answer that only they know. Review all the transaction details carefully. Click Continue, and your transfer is on its way. For sending money internationally, BMO offers a few specialized methods depending on where and how you want to send the funds. If you are sending money abroad to over 70 destinations, you can use BMO Global Money Transfer directly through the mobile app or online banking. Simply sign in, select Pay and Transfer, choose Global Money Transfer, and enter your recipient's banking information, such as their account number and required bank routing codes like a SWIFT or IBAN. Review the real-time exchange rates and flat fee. Confirm the details, and complete the transfer. Global transfers typically land in the recipient's account within 2 to 5 business days. Alternatively, you can utilize Western Union money transfers available through BMO Digital Banking to send funds internationally or domestically for quick cash pickups. Simply navigate to Pay and Transfer in your online banking profile. Select Western Union, enter your recipient details, and confirm the transfer. For large, high-value global transfers or situations requiring specialized wire payments, you can also visit a physical BMO branch or submit a wire agreement to process the wire securely using the recipient's full institutional address, account number, and bank routing code. Always double-check your recipient details and daily transaction limits before finalizing any transfer to ensure your funds reach their destination safely and without unnecessary delays. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.